Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen gadget that promises to simplify your cooking life, the Green Hot Pot Electric with Steamer. If you're living in a dorm, a studio apartment, or just looking for a more efficient way to prepare meals for one or two, this might just be your next favorite appliance. This electric pot boasts a 1.8-liter capacity, making it perfectly sized for individuals or couples. What immediately stands out is its multifunctionality. It's not just for hot pot, as the name might suggest. The product description highlights its versatility for frying, cooking noodles, steaming, and more. This is a huge selling point for anyone with limited counter space or who prefers an all-in-one solution for quick meals. Imagine making pasta, then steaming some vegetables right after in the same pot. It's designed to save you time and effort, particularly with its ability to steam and boil simultaneously. That's a genuine time saver for busy schedules. Let's talk about the build and user experience. The interior features a Teflon non-stick coating. This is crucial for easy cleanup, which, let's be honest, is half the battle in cooking. No one enjoys scrubbing burnt-on food. The exterior is made from PP material with a hollow design and an anti-scalding handle. This means you can grip it comfortably and safely without worrying about burning your hands, even when the pot is hot. This attention to heat insulation is a thoughtful design choice. Safety is also a key focus here. The electric pot is equipped with double temperature control protection. This includes overheating protection and an anti-drying function. Essentially, if the pot gets too hot or runs out of water, it should automatically shut off, giving you peace of mind, especially if you're prone to forgetting things in the kitchen. The bottom also features heat dissipation holes, which are important for maintaining operational safety and prolonging the life of the appliance. The compact and portable nature of this cooker is another major plus. Measuring approximately 6.69 inches long and 7.47 inches high with the steamer included, it's designed to fit into tight spaces. This makes it ideal for dorm rooms, small apartments, hotels, or even for taking on camping trips or outdoor picnics. The 1.8-liter capacity, as mentioned, is geared towards 1 to 2 people, so if you're cooking for a large family, this might not be the primary appliance for you, but it could be a useful secondary cooker. Now, for the pros and cons. On the positive side, the versatility is undeniable. The ability to fry, boil, steam, and make hot pot in one unit is fantastic. The non-stick coating and safety features like anti-scalding handles and automatic shut-off add significant value. Its compact and portable design makes it a great option for small living spaces or for travel. The time-saving aspect of simultaneous steaming and boiling is also a strong benefit. However, there are potential drawbacks to consider. The 1.8-liter capacity, while perfect for 1 to 2 people, will be too small for larger households. While it's advertised as multifunctional, the effectiveness of each function, especially frying, will depend on the precise heating elements and temperature control. It's a mini cooker, so don't expect it to perform like a full-sized stove. Also, while Teflon is convenient, some users prefer ceramic or other non-stick alternatives due to concerns about durability or material composition over time. In conclusion, the Green Hot Pot Electric with Steamer is a compelling option for anyone seeking a compact, versatile, and safe cooking solution for smaller households or for on-the-go use. It covers a lot of bases with its multifunctional design, user-friendly features like the non-stick coating and anti-scalding handle, and essential safety mechanisms. If you're looking to declutter your kitchen or simplify your meal prep for 1 or 2, this appliance certainly offers a lot of bang for your buck. Link in the description.